Hi everyone, hello. Here we go. I'm going to speak about fast food made faster because Robotics has rolled out Flippy #2. Incredible. I received this email just a little while ago announcing Flippy 2, the next generation. And Flippy 2 has a new auto bin system, uses artificial intelligence vision to automatically identify food items, cook and dispense into hot holding areas. It performs 2 times more food preparation tasks and increases production by 30%. New sleeker design that takes up less space in the kitchen. Like all technologies, Flippy 2 has evolved significantly from its predecessor, and we are extremely grateful for the insights collected from White Castle to truly push its development forward. And do I have everything open properly? Let me see here. Here, I invested in Series D. I actually own 55 shares. If you follow me, I was very proud of that and very grateful that I even have anything at all. But you see here, White Castle, pilot. Well, now, because it went so well, they're going to do another beta rollout, and they're going to enter up to 10 more locations in the Chicago area. I'll include this link in the description below. I'm not going to read all of this. It's from the spoon.tech. But the point is, they're talking about Flippy 2. And it takes over more work. Hot food transfer. The Flippy 2 transfers hot food items to the holding area, which eliminates a potential danger spot for human and prevents burns and oil spillage. Customizable basket system. You program it and it knows how many French fries you want in a basket, how many chicken wings, you know what I mean? Auto bin, it's called. The new system can be tailored for the specific needs of a kitchen. And it has a smaller footprint. The Flippy 2 is smaller than the original. And in the pictures and in the videos, if you really pay attention, you see it above. It does take up less space. It works more in the targeted area that you want it to work in. With 56% reduced aisle intrusion and 13% reduction in height and less surfaces to clean. Wow, that's incredible. If you don't follow me, I shortened this video a little bit. They added a new video, and it tells you all about it. It's very exciting.
Back to the glory days of fast.
I wouldn't say back, or even glory days.
Well, what would you say?
It's about the future of fast food. Hi, I'm Mike Bell, CEO of Robotics, and we're using robotics and AI to help usher in the future of fast food. Commercial kitchens, when you look at these kitchens across the United States, you see operations based on manual tasks and outdated technology. So that means people are performing lots of repetitive and robotic tasks.
Ha, was that pun intended?
Yes, it was.
So, robots, I get it, but how are you recreating that?
Do you see on top? I'll show it again, how it's targeted right over the fry later area. So it's taking up less space.
Ha, was that pun intended?
Yes, it was.
So, robots, I get it, but
Look
how
at
are
that.
you recreating that magic of what fast food was?
Pretty simple. We build robots to do robotic work and let people do people work. The fryer is one of the toughest positions to build. You got splattering oil, 20, 30 degrees hotter standing behind that fryer than in the rest of the kitchen. What we ended up developing in Flippy was really a collaboration between...
That's a perfect picture. Do you see how the whole frame is right over the fry later area? Watch.
In Flippy.
You see that? That's all the space it takes now. That's a
It
trick.
was really a collaboration between kitchen workers and our engineering product team. Workers who used to be working the grill, working in the kitchen, are now working the kitchen but getting trained in robotics technology at the same time. And that's a skill that they can take with them for the rest of their lives.
Wow.
That is so true. The workers are going to gain more skills. They're going to get more of an education, and they can take it with them for the rest of their lives. Because if you start young in these fast food places, or it's a second chapter in life, it can lead to so many other things. If you know how to program a robotic machine to properly work in a fast food, fast turnover kitchen, new skill.
That sounds impressive.
I'm also impressed by how cool it is.
Do you think franchise owners can afford this?
I can answer that. This is a huge addressable market. We're talking over 250,000 QSRs in the US alone. And yes, many of them are struggling. Cash flow is an issue. So we had to develop a RaaS model, which stands for Robots as a Service. We charge a monthly service fee, so restaurants don't have to pay any upfront costs. Their monthly fees go towards the equipment.
And you see right there, also customer service. It's a monthly service fee to run a robotic arm in a kitchen.
The software, and allows our team to stay engaged with the staff, to train them on robotics, and hear how we can improve our technology so they can focus on more important tasks for their business.
I get it. So robots can do the robot work, and people can
Do the people work, like taking orders.
There you go. You can watch the rest of it if you like. I will. I'll include the link there. It's MyIncomeJob.com. What else to show you? That video pretty much said it all. Let me see here. I did Flippy 2, which makes the fry station, even at peak times, less than a full-time task and allows team members to focus on other important duties. Features the brand new Auto Bin system for lower volume and specialty foods like onion rings and chicken tenders, providing restaurants an even more capable and complete frying solution. That is incredible. Each bin can hold as much as a full fry basket. Unbelievable. Just incredible. Flippy 2 is already coming out. The artificial intelligence and the fast food industry. Hope this works. I'm using my old computer, everyone. It's still working. It felt like working yesterday and today. It's just taking over. And do you see how, I said this in an earlier video, it's going to train people who were doing robotic tasks to develop new skills, to learn how to use computer systems. Dummies don't run computer systems. They're going to be trained to develop new skills that they could take anywhere they want to move to or move up the ladder. It's not just about staying behind the line anymore. You've got to program and run these computers, this artificial intelligence, and of course properly maintain them, because artificial intelligent machines have to be properly maintained so they work at their full capacity with, minimal breakdown. You know what I mean? And it's just going to change the entire industry, that you're not going to have, somebody over a grill for 14 hours a day, a fry later. It should be in between to make it run more smoothly and more fast, more efficiently. It's incredible. Okay. This is about investing, but I also wanted to share that. I do own 55 shares. They gave me an opportunity to get shares at, I believe they were 54 and change. Oh, if you want to invest in this, if you go to MyIncomeJob.com, you click on the Invest Now and follow the prompts, and it will lead you to where you can invest in it. That's one of the many ways. That's how I did it. I'm going to speak about, if you go to, it's all about investing, everyone. Investing. MyIncomeJob.com. And you scroll to the sidebar and click on Inside a Stock Market. I added 3 new stocks to my portfolio, my financial portfolio. They are all penny stocks. I'm an early investor without the need of being an accredited investor. If you want to learn which companies I invested in, you can visit that link at MyIncomeJob.com. To give you an idea of what I mean penny stock, one of the companies I decided to invest in, I did a lot of reading, a lot of research. I found some scores. My cost per share is 19 cents. Well, that gives someone like me the opportunity to buy thousands of shares. And I continue to go down this route because it's going to make me very financially secure. Then in another company, my cost per share is 4 cents, which gave me the opportunity to buy thousands of shares in a company I really believe in a futuristic company. And the third one, 1 penny a share. And the website is half finished, and they have a future. I did a lot of research. I believe in them. It was a choice. And the reason why I got a penny a share, I bought the shares after a post-reverse split. I don't mind. It gave me an opportunity to buy thousands of shares. I also increased my position in many other companies that I've invested in. And because the prices have leveled out and stayed low, and I feel it's going to explode once there's clarity with crypto, because they are futuristic companies. They're linked to blockchain and FinTech, stuff like that. The costs stayed low, so each week I'm increasing my position, so it helped me lower the cost per share with the companies I've invested in all year. I just never thought the prices would stay more on the low side. They're not dirt low, but they're low, which helped lower my cost per share. And with the backed app that I've spoken about many times, yesterday I cashed out in the morning a few more, I don't know, like 20 more, and I sold them high 30s, and I left 145 shares in there. When it hits the 40s and 50s, I'll sell off some more if I feel like it. If you don't take action, nothing's going to change if you don't take action. You're going to be in the same position you were 10 years ago, yesterday, 20 years ago. I've witnessed people, decades have gone by, they're in the same position they were 20 years ago, 30 years ago, and now they have less when they thought they had more. You got to stay on top of the times and realize these are the times that are offering once-in-a-lifetime opportunities to become financially flush. The new monetary system's rolling out, and it's not just about crypto. It's about blockchain. It's about fintech companies. It's all linked and synced together. I hope you found this video interesting. I said I wasn't going to go live. I did end up working, but I'll talk about that in another video. I'm going down a path I never thought I would go down to help jumpstart my personal shopping business. and I'll be sharing that in the near future. Okay, have a good one. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't miss out, and it's still a chance of a lifetime. Technology is just rolling out rapidly. It's hard to keep up. I'll see you soon. Have a good one. Bye, guys.